You are saying that this person cannot perform. Yet you are saying he in our party. Party nonsense. I've told, if you vote party, the way you will suffer, me, I'll be here, I'll tell you, I will suffer with you. Nothing will make me suffer with you. I know too much that I can't suffer. But I can tell you, look, you know I'm a man of God. Try to make mistake. Neither will tumble to 5,000. If you don't want another to tumble to 5,000, better tell yourself what to do. It's a what?
Don't take it lightly. You are fighting for your freedom. It's not another election you're having. If Obi does not win, forget Nigeria.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. If you look at our country today, under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you now understand why Ayo Adebanjo, the Afenifere leader, why he warned what will happen to Nigeria if Peter Obi did not win. It reminds us also what people like David Ibiyomi, a pastor, and several others warned will befall this country if we do not do something ahead of that election to stop the APC from regaining power in 2023. It was a disaster that was foretold. And there's no way you can fault what Adebanjo said. What he said has befallen this country. People are leaving this country in droves. People are literally fleeing from Nigeria. Life has become terrible, brutish, and short. That is how things have become in Nigeria. People cannot feed themselves, talk less of feeding their family. Families have been destroyed. Lives have been ruined. Communities have been sacked. Only the other day in the Yoruba states, they buried countless numbers of Nigerians in a village. Their country was not there for them. Things have gone haywire. The inflation rate food inflation is over 40%. Unemployment is over 40%. Naira is at its worst rate in living memory. And everything that we were told will happen is happening and unfolding in our own eyes. But Adebanjo was right. He said, if Obi does not win, and Obi did not lose, but he was not declared a winner. Because he was not declared a winner does not mean that he lost. No. It is a disaster that always befalls nations like Nigeria when the wrong things are done. That's what has befallen Nigeria now. But Adebanjo foretold it. Whatever you like, you may say about men of God. Most of them got it right. Most of them got it right that Peter Obi is the choice. But it is being a choice and being the one that is put on the seat is a different ballgame. I have seen people kick men of God, they say that Obi will win. Why didn't he? No. Did Tinubu win? Did Tinubu win? Even those of them who don't believe in God, believe in their local gods. Can you go to Shango and hold whatever Shangos are holding or Amadio are holding and swear with your life that Tinubu won. But he was declared a winner by INEC. It's INEC that will make the declaration. The truth of the matter remains that people foretold what is going to happen to Nigeria. Look at David Ibiyomi. He was apt. He said, look, people will suffer. He said, people will suffer. Is it not a reality? The other day I saw somebody who said that Tinubu has finished them. He said he was among those who are going from house to house, fighting people who said they will not vote for Tinubu. There was a trending video on that, regretting his actions. Is that how to win an election? That one has now, the disaster has befallen him. And he was making video of what they did. Ibiyomi said the Naira is going to get to 5,000 Naira to the dollar. How much was Naira when Tinubu came in? 400 Naira to the dollar at the official window. And 700 Naira to the dollar. Today is about 1,600 to the dollar. Only 400 Naira remains to be 2,000 Naira to the dollar. And there are strong indications that before Christmas, Naira will be selling at over 2,000 Naira to the dollar. And this is just in the first 1.5 years of Tinubu. In the remaining 2 years of Tinubu, before we get into 2027, David Ibiyomi's prophecy is about to come true. No matter what you think about the situation of the country. You'll be paying for $1, 5,000 Naira. Ibiyomi warned that that is what will happen. Our people will suffer. Which now bring me to the next question. Did people not listen to Adebanjo and people like David Ibiyomi? They listened. Nigerians rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu, even by the official data that was released by Independent National Electoral Commission. They declared Bola Ahmed Tinubu with victory or winner with 8.7 million votes. Atiku Abubakar got 6.9 million votes. Peter Obi got 6.1 million votes. Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso of NNPP got 1.4 million votes. Now, if you tabulate all these votes, you find out that if you tabulate the votes of Atiku, Peter Obi, and Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso, you will see that Nigerians overwhelmingly rejected Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And his presidency had been a disaster for tribal relationship in Nigeria. Never in the history of Nigeria has the kind of ethnic bigotry that the government promotes through people like Bayo Onanoga, right from the time they were campaigning, and they emerged president-elect, they have been sowing seed of ethnic division. Never in our history, not since the Civil War, have we come to a point where ethnic division is as high as under Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Yet, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not the first Southerner to be president. But Southerners are more divided today than ever before. He is not the first Yoruba to be president. Obasanjo was there for 8 years. Why was Southern Nigeria so united under Obasanjo? Why was Obasanjo not throwing ethnic cards up and down? But because Bola Ahmed Tinubu knew how he entered into politics, into this power. First of all, he said, Emilako, it is my turn. It is Yoruba turn. He ran on Muslim ticket. Everything that he ran on was on divisiveness. No matter how anybody tried to paint it, was based on identity politics. Muslim ticket, which is not supposed to be so. Saying that it is my turn, it is Yoruba turn. Everything that was said will before this country has befallen it, and it's going to get worse. If you like, you can dismiss what David Ibiomi said, but that's at your own peril. The way the country is going, the indices, the statistics, the data points to what David Ibiomi warned will happen. And Ayo Adebanjo got his right too. You know, Ayo Adebanjo, when he was talking before the election, people were dismissive of him, some people. But you know, there's a saying that what the elder sees sitting down, even if you climb the tree, you will not be able to see it. He foresaw what would befall this nation under Tinubu presidency. And it is unfortunately unfolding before our own eyes. Look at what Nigerians are passing through, yet the government is so insensitive to increase the price of fuel. But they are taking care of themselves. They are buying new jets. They are buying new cars, fancy cars, new planes. They don't give a damn. What does that tell you? It is to tell you that Ayo Adebanjo was right. That Nigeria has turned out just as he predicted it would under Tinubu presidency. He warned that unless Peter Obi win the election, and we can't say that Peter Obi did not win, because there are strong indications that he did. The other day when Peter Obi was talking, he said he got over 10 million votes. And if you look at it, somebody who got 10 million votes ought to be declared a winner, but he was not. His figures were allegedly manipulated. And Peter Obi is not somebody to go and do the Abiola thing, to go and declare himself the winner. We know what happens to people who did that, people like Abiola. He ended up not alive today. So Peter Obi was wiser not to follow that path. But the onus is now on Nigerian people to say in 2027, enough is enough. That's my take on those who reminded us of what would befall this nation if Peter Obi did not win or was not declared the winner of the election. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you look at your screen, what you are seeing are some of my books. They are available on Amazon. Just type the title of the book and the author's name. It will take you to Google, and you can have access. It will take you to Amazon platform where these books are available. Amazon is world #1 on print on demand. You have these books available on ebook, paperback, and hardcover. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.